Right, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Rex City. We're going to talk about Bitcoin dropping below 30K, Ethereum dropping below 1100, Litecoin dropping below 150. We're going to talk about the rest of the market. Everything is basically dumping right now. It is very, very critical for now to basically take a look at the market in a different perspective. Are we going to be dropping lower? We're going to take a look at it. Are we going to be reversing? We're going to take a look at it. Am I bullish? We're going to talk about it. Am I bearish? All of that good stuff, guys. We're going to get a dip. We're going to talk about the market in a depth, right, analysis, and basically talk about this dip and what type of rejection we could be looking for to the downside and stop the price from falling lower. Okay, so if you're new to our content, you know exactly what to do. Don't forget to hit the likes. We got 15 likes, guys. We're gonna need 50 likes before we talk about the good stuff. Okay, so if you want me to talk about your alt, some of these alt, they bleeding, they're gonna be reversing, they're not gonna drop forever. All right, make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, and ask me your question about any alt, and we're going to talk about those alts and basically try to figure out what type of reversal we're going to be getting over the next few days and so on. Remember, guys, it is only Thursday. Market going to be reversing very, very soon. It is not time to be panicking. It is not time to be spending like 10K, 12K, and all of that good stuff. It is time to be basically stay calm, right? Take a look at the market in a very, very rational way, and no, nothing can go up forever. Okay, since like the breakout from like a 20,000 right there. Okay, we just been pumping to the upside on a 3-day basis. Okay, did not have a single red candle except this, this one right here, just about like December 20th, that candle, that's the only red candle we had on the move to basically $42,000. So it is totally normal for BTC to retrace down, trying to find some support before the next leg up, guys, all the way up to some crazy prices. So stay tuned, hit the likes. Okay, give me 50 likes, guys, and we can basically get into this good stuff. Before that, okay, I'm gonna give you guys time to hit the likes, and we're gonna basically just scan the market on alphabetical order, right? Let's start off with AVE not doing so bad. Okay, a 2 is a top on a 3-day basis. It is not that bearish. Okay, 2 is a top. We still got some some support anywhere around here. Okay, just about like a 130 and so on, right? So ADA back down below 30 cents. It is still not that bearish. 2 is a top. It got support just about the 3-day 21 EMA. Okay, we're going to talk about those good stuff. Okay, so let's move on to the BTC down. We're also going to talk about it. It is pumping to the upside. Bitcoin Cash could get a support just about the 21 EMA on a 3-day basis, right? We already brought the 2-day basis right here. So next support just about the 3-day 21 EMA. All right, just about 372 and so on. So guys, give me 50 likes, guys. We got 28 right now, 67 watching. We need 50 likes, guys, so we can get the BTC price target. It is very, very critical right now because we're about to get a strong bounce back up, and we want to know exactly where we're going to be bouncing at. Okay, I'm very bullish. Okay, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. Get it right. I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin. All right, I'm not bearish. We're just correcting. Correcting is part of the cyclical market. It is just, it has to happen. Okay, it has to happen. So let's go ahead and take a look at BNB. One thing I told you about BNB, my BNB macro picture is over like $100, over like $150. The only thing we need on BNB is like we gotta close above $31 on a 50-day cycle, right? On a 50-day cycle, if we can close above right here, okay, $31, we already closed above $31 right here. Okay, so if like we can get a second close above it by February 19th, right, this sucker could be going to the moon for the rest of the year, right? So we just need to get a close above $31 for the next like 30 days. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at CRV bouncing right back up. It is one of our best trade over the last few days. If you haven't watched our CRV trade setup, make sure to join our public Telegram group so you know exactly what we're expecting from CRV. We got a macro target all the way up to $5, okay? And we talk about it when CRV was 40 cents, okay? So that's a big move to the upside. DOT, we got short-term target for DOT. We're gonna take a look at all of that good stuff because our macro target 26, it is still in play. So keep that in mind. All right, we've been bullish on DOT since DOT was at $4 to a $5 range. Okay, so guys, give me 14 more likes, guys. Let's go, guys. We need 14 more likes, 14 more likes to get the 50 likes. Let's go ahead and take a look at ICX also. ICX BTC not doing bad. Beautiful bottom formation right here. Beautiful bottom formation right here. Okay, broke out to the upside. Now it is giving us a 120 extension. We can correct right here before pumping to the upside. ICX, okay, big resistance going to be 2700, right? 2700 to a 2800 range. If we can break above this, you know, range, ICX could be having a good year over the next like a few months. Okay, so IOTA also looking very strong versus BTC. I'm looking for this breakout to the upside. If BTC going to retest like 2700, 27,000, IOTA going to be a good hold all the way up to basically 2,000 to 3,000 area. Current price of IOTA just about 1360. All right. So another one we basically going to talk about, it is going to be Link. So Link, our target for Link, it is just about like 17 or 17.5 to you know 17.5 range. We just hit our target in our premium right there. So we talk about Link could be dropping all the way down to this area. So it just did, which is like 0.618 pull back on the big move right here from 12.5, which was our previous entry, and we took it all the way up to basically above $20. So Link could be bouncing back up very soon if we do not break this 6-hour 100 EMA. All right, but give it some time. Okay, give it time to give you some divergences and all of that good stuff on a lower degree. So guys, we got 39s. We need 11 more likes. So if you just join in, guys, and you want to know where the price of Bitcoin is going to, right, make sure to hit the likes, okay? Because we got some crazy beautiful target for you guys, beautiful targets for the next leg up, you know, a 20% move potentially over the next few days. All right, so next one, Neo, we got a target down to $17 right here. Quite hit 20. We definitely can hit the 17. I was expecting to get the 32 first, but we did not get the 32, and we dropping down in this flat correction. On the next recovery phase, Neo could be one of the first coin to recover all the way up to 32 potential, or even 44 target to the upside. Okay, so next one we're gonna take a look at TRB VChain. Okay, VChain, our previous target was right here, low 22, right, all the way up to 3 cents. We did hit that move in an ending diagonal, so it is pretty normal to get this move down. It can even drop back down lower to like a 2 cents to 2.1 cents and all of that good stuff. So it is very accumulative right now. We got a clean 5-wave structure right here, drop down. It can even drop down to 0.618 to 0.786 right here. It is still going to be accumulative. Okay, it's not going to be bearish at all, guys. So now, guys, I'm gonna give it to you guys. We got 43. It is okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. So right now, if you take a look at BTC, guys, what we said in my premium group, right, over the last few days, even though we macro bullish on BTC, we've been very cautious, not try to long this sucker anywhere around like 35 and so on. Okay, so what we said was like, guys, we're gonna be waiting for our 8-hour 100 EMA. We know 8-hour 100 EMA been very critical over the last basically a few months. So we're gonna wait for the 8-hour 100 EMA. So we retested the 8-hour 100 EMA, could not basically break it. Retested 50% of the candle right here. If you watch my previous update, my previous live stream, that's exactly what I told you. Wait for the 8-hour. If you want to short, wait for the 8-hour candle to close and short the 50% of the 8-hour candle. Okay, so you can see like right there, we retested 50% of it and start dragging down. Okay, so now we lost the 8-hour 100 EMA. Next level to look for, okay, it is going to be where our 2-day 21 EMA. The 2-day 21 EMA, we just got a new candle yesterday, so the candle gonna close in 22 hours. Okay, so I don't think, once again, okay, the candle right here going to give us a 15% to 20% drop within the next 24 hours. So we could get a sideways correction over the next like a few hours and so on, because this candle is already 20% drop. I don't see us dropping another 20%, right, over the next 24 hours. You see what I'm saying? Because if you just take a look at it in a term of a 1-to-1 ratio, I don't see like the candle giving us 20% drop every 24 hours. So we could get a sideways correction between 28, 29, or even up to 31.7, and try to close above the 2-day 21 EMA. A close above the 2-day 21 EMA going to be very, very bullish, right, over the next few trading session. Okay, and we're going to talk about it as soon as we close the daily candle and see what type of move we could get going through the weekend and next week and all of that good stuff. Okay, so now next target to look for to the downside, once again, if we keep on dropping, right guys, we got the 3-day 21 EMA just about at 27.7. okay, 27.7 going to be a critical support. Okay, and we definitely, okay, with a very good chance, all right, we got, I would say 70 to 75% chance we could see a bounce from this 3-day 21 EMA. It is going to close like in 3 days. Okay, so this candle just opened, right? Any drop below it has to get bought up. Okay, it is going to be bullish. Anything below 27.7, right, it is a bullish, because you're basically breaking your 3-day 21 EMA, and we know how strong the 3-day 21 EMA is, right? If you go back back in March, right here, May, the first drop right here, we basically got support from the 3-day 21 EMA, right? Right here, we got support from the 3-day 21 EMA. Right here, as soon as we drop below it, only one candle, okay? One candle, okay, closed below it before we started making some higher lows, okay? Bang. So I don't see, okay, for now, okay, as of now, I don't see like multiple candles closing below the 3-day 21 EMA. Do you see what I'm saying? So any dips below 3-day 21 EMA, which is 27.7, most likely market going to see a potential reversal over the next few days. Okay, and we're going to talk about it because we cannot say exactly what price level we're going to get a bounce off at, right? But let's just assume it is going to be 27.7, okay, just for the sake of simplicity, right? We could be looking for a potential move to the upside, right? We got this 3-way move down, and we're going to get this, 0.618 or even 0.786. That's what we're going to be looking for over the next like a few days and so on. 0.618 going to be 35.8. 0.786 going to be 38.5. okay, 35.8, 38.5. Sounds like the same numbers right there. So we're going to be looking for 35.8, right? 30,508, 35,800 and 38,500. Okay, so it sounds very confusing, but you guys can play with the numbers, right? So we're going to be looking for this move to the upside over the next few days, guys. If and only if, guys, we can find the support right there. I mean, yes, we're still bullish, right? But guys, the reason why we're still bullish, it is pretty clear. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the 2-day time frame, right? So you got to understand what's going on. When you take a look at the 2-day time frame, right? Right now, I said it yesterday, I'm partially, okay, bearish, which is like 30%, 25 to 30% bearish, right? Just because we got now, we had the MACD crossing bearish right there, right? Now price action below the 21 EMA, that basically increased my bearishness up to basically 40%, right? Just because we got both of these setups right now playing out. And we said it long time ago, as long as, okay, price action is above the 21 EMA, MACD still bullish, crossing positive, okay, I'm going to be bullish. However, if we get MACD, a bearish MACD, a price action below my 21 EMA on a 2-day basis, I'm going to be bearish. However, that's the first drop, what I said was like, we're gonna get another reversal after, the first, after the first price action being below the 2-day 21 EMA and MACD crossing bearish. That's just going to give you a signal of a potential downtrend. You see what I'm saying? Even though I'm bearish, even though I'm bullish, I got some sort of bearishness set up. I'm keeping an eye on. Okay, I'm not like 100% bullish. Okay, so yesterday I was up to 30%. Right now I'm up to like 35 to 40% bearish, but I'm just gonna keep my 60% bullishness open, right, just in case, right, we get the 0.618 pullback I'm looking for. Okay, if we get rejected right here at points, anywhere around like 0.786, even up to like 0.888, if we get a strong rejection, right, and break below the 21 EMA right here, I'm going to be 60% bearish. That's clear. You guys know my setup. Okay, you guys know my setup. So I'm still going to be bullish until we basically get another reversal and rejection, and I'm going to be 60% or higher bearish. Okay, so now let's take a look at the comparison of what we got back in 2019, right? So I'm going to explain to you what we got back in 2019. So guys, make sure to hit the likes if you just joined the streaming, right? Don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join our public Telegram group, and also subscribe. Don't just hit the likes and do not subscribe. Okay, you have to do both of them. I'm going to take a look at the chat room later on and answer your question. I just want to make sure you guys, okay, the first 15 to 25 minutes, I want you to guys to understand what's going on, right? Give you guys the big picture, so you're not going to be panicking and all of that good stuff. Okay, because market going to be calling for all crazy numbers. Okay, some of them going to be calling for even 5K right now. All right, so now if you take a look at the comparison, this is basically 2021, right? And let's take a look at 2017, not 2017. Let's take a look at 2019. Okay, so if you take a look at 2019 right here, if you take a look at 2019 and you take a look at 2021, right, on a 3-day basis, that's basically 3 weeks, and that's basically what, 3 days. Okay, so you take a look at these two patterns. Okay, take a look at these two patterns, guys. So you tell me, what do you see? Okay, different time frame, same asset. Okay, different time frame, same asset. Tell me, what do you see, guys? So I'm gonna give you guys 2 seconds. Okay, you tell me the difference between this structure right here, right, and the structure we got right here. Okay, you tell me. Okay, tell me what's the difference. It is the same exact structure. I don't need to give you guys 3 seconds to think about it. Okay, so it is the same exact structure. Okay, bearish engulfing top formation right here, right? What happened next? We got this bearish engulfing top formation, reversal back up to the top, got rejected right there. Okay, got rejected right there. What happened next? We got a very small bearish, candle very next to the reversal candle right here. What happened next? Capitulation down. What we got next? Right here, capitulation down. Okay, so what are we making right now? Right here. Okay, this candle right here. That's what I'm saying. A reversal could be on the way. Okay, I saw this structure playing out over the last few days, but I just didn't want to show it, right? Because most of you guys are going to be too bearish and all of that good stuff. But it is the same exact setup as what we got back in 14K. Okay, so let's see if we get this big pump to the upside. We're going to be looking for this big pump to the upside. The pump we're going to be looking for could even be higher right here. Okay, could even be pumping all the way up to basically 37 to 38, which is basically what we've been saying, what I just said, right? We're going to be looking for 0.618 to basically 0.786. So that's the same setup. That's the first time, guys, you're seeing this setup. No one is talking about it. Only Send Crypto is talking about this setup. Okay, so and I told you exactly what I'm going to be looking for, and that's exactly what we're getting right now. Okay, that's a 3 weeks time frame right here. That's a 3 days time frame. However, the structure is exactly the same exact structure. So I wouldn't be too bearish because we're going to be getting a big pump very, very soon probably. All right, Ether is bouncing up now. After 50. Hey, what's up, Abdullah? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and hit the likes, right? Bob in the house. Ether is bouncing up, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at Ether. So we're done with BTC, right? You know exactly what to look for. We got our 3-day 21 EMA coming up next for a potential support area. All right, so let's do this. So let's go ahead and take a look at Ether. Ether basically hit our target beautifully in our premium group. So if you're looking to join my premium group for these targets, bang, okay, bang. What we are looking for, Ether 1089. I even give it to you guys on my public update. I told you Ether going to be bouncing off from 1089 to a potential bounce back up to 1250 and all of that good stuff. All right. So Ether is not done yet. Okay, that's the 8-hour time frame. It's too soon to talk about a bounce back up. That's the move we're looking for from Ether. I told you when Ether was pumping, guys, I'm bullish on Ether, but I'm not gonna long this sucker right here. Okay, we talk about it, guys. We talk about it right there live. I was like, Ether gonna drop back down. Just wait for this range. Okay, just wait for this range. It is gonna come back down. It is already retracing. Okay, the reason why we just bounced off of this range is like right here. Okay, do swing low to swing high. That's 0.618. And what I told you guys, 0.618 to 0.786, right, which is like 1,000, going to be the range you want to look for. Even down to like 950, which is 0.888. And we can definitely try to get a W, right? Or it can even drop down here like to a low 800 and before pumping to the upside. So either way you look at it, macro bullish. Okay, macro bullish for Ether. It is macro bullish. It is just like we just have to wait for confirmation which pattern the bull's gonna be printing, right? If they want to print this pattern with a divergence and we're gonna take it to the upside, or if they want to print this pattern right here with a divergence right here and we're gonna take it to the upside. Both setup are pretty valid. Okay, we just have to suck it up and wait for the right setup and basically take it to the moon after that, right? But be cautious, okay? I think like we still got some juice left for Ether, okay? Until we get a 6-hour MACD bullish crossover right here, right? You just have to be cautious, okay? It can still dip down, so you got a chance to buy some cheaper Ether over the next like a few days, okay? Until we get the bullish MACD crossover right here, right? Right now we at the 6-hour 100 EMA, so we're not going to break it easily. So any bounce from this range could just potentially try to create a divergence. That's it, right? You're not going to get the divergence on the 6-hour, but you could get your divergence on hourly, right? Yes, you could get a divergence on the hourly, but you're not going to get a divergence on your 6-hour. The reason for that is like the 6-hour is not even cleanly below the histogram right here. So a divergence above the histogram is not that strong, okay? You want at least price action to drop here, MACD, you get your divergence right here, right? That's why you have to basically check your lower numbers, your lower time frame actually, to see a potential divergence, okay? So be careful with your divergences because it's not like every divergence that is going to give you a strong move to the upside. Not all of them. Some of them, they're just going to give you a divergence for a correction, all right? So I like to call them correctional divergence, right? Hey guys, we got 140 watching, so make sure to subscribe, right? and hit the likes. Okay, make sure to subscribe and hit the likes so you can get these updates from Send Crypto, right? You get one of the best, you will receive one of the best analysis, right, in crypto. Okay, so if you want to learn how to trade this market, right, make sure to follow Send Crypto, subscribe, hit the likes so you can, you know, get the party ready. Okay, get the popcorn party, right? Hey, what's up, Bob Franklin? Ether 11.15. I mean, it is just moving sideways. Don't be too bullish right now. You just got a big drop. We called for this big drop in our premium yesterday, right? When Ether was like 1380, we said we're gonna be looking for what? 1089 all the way down to 950 in our premium, guys. So that's a 30% drop right there. Okay, right there, already 25%, and we're looking for a potential 30% drop from Ether. So we were ready for this move, so we did not panic. So we were ready for everything, guys. 6 dislikes. I mean, the Moon Boys cannot be mad because I'm still bullish. We got 6 dislike from the Moon Boys now. I don't think that's some Moon Boys. Hey, what's up, Clay? Tariq in the house. GOK in the house. Is it time to buy altcoin? If you have any altcoin, okay, make sure to ask me in the chat room. Okay, ask me in the chat room. Make sure to subscribe, like, and put your altcoin, and I'm gonna give you an analysis. Okay, we've been pretty spot on alt, right? Spot on. That's a good time to be buying alt right now. Okay, when bits is below like 29, 27. Okay, for the next big pump. ADA and VChain. So make sure to subscribe, Tariq, first, okay, and like, and I'm gonna take a look at VChain and ADA for you. So if any of you like VChain and ADA, so all you have to do is just subscribe and hit the likes when I'm talking about VChain and ADA. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at ADA because most of you guys holding ADA anyway. So ADA, what we said for ADA was like it could create a big corrective move, okay, all the way down to like a 24. Okay, so ADA might not be done yet. All right, give it some time. On the lower degree, what you get is like, let's just review what we said first regarding ADA. Okay, so ADA, what we said was like when ADA was right here, okay, just about like 33, I think it was like 25, something like that, right? We said swing low to swing high, right? I think it was like 28 or something, okay, because I was basically incorporating the swing low. So swing high to swing low, we're going to be looking for 1.27, which is like 39 to, you know, and 1.41, which is going to be 42. So 88 did hit target, bang. Okay, so what are we looking for right now? A pullback. Okay, it is still bullish because we back down to 50% of the extension right here. So it is still bullish right now, but very accumulative all the way down to 22. So any dips from ADA, you're going to be looking for this big correction before the next big move to the upside. Okay, so I'm still bullish on ADA, right? The potential bearish setup you could anticipate for ADA if you're a bear is like, you could take a look at, you could take the entire move, right, from swing low, just about 70, not 75, but 0.75, right? And you could look for a move down here, okay, which is basically our target of 21 cents. Okay, that's also possible. This range is 382. So 88, pretty bullish. Okay, any dips going to be bullish for 88. All right, all the way down to 382 pullback. So hey, what's up, Guru? Make sure to subscribe and hit the likes if you want to see XRP analysis. Okay, I mean, people dislike because they press the wrong button. That's the only reason. BTC. Let's talk about BTC. Let's go back to VChain very quickly, and then we're gonna go back to BTC. So this alt, they bouncing back up, guys. We starting to see green right now, as you can see on a daily basis. Everything's starting to be, you know, -2%, you know, +5%, all of that good stuff. So I think we could see a bounce very, very soon, guys. Sushi is up 7%. Let's go back to BTC. CRV is still looking very strong. Yeah, BTC is back up to 30K, guys. So BTC back up to 30K. But not a strong divergence, guys. Once again, okay, if we hit 21 EMA on an hourly basis, most likely it is going to get rejected. So we got a small divergence on our RSI, right? So what are we doing right now? We're just correcting. It could take like few days to get the correction done if we find support right here, just to confirm like 28.7 going to be what support. Okay, so about 28.7 going to be support. If you take a look at it, we drop all the way down to 28.8, right? So that's a nice bounce right here. Bang, we got nearly like 5% bounce. That's pretty good. Bitcoin is dropping. Mr. Fitz says Bitcoin is dropping because of the fear of more regulations and big government under the new president. That could be possible, but we're just gonna stay with the chart, right? We've been expecting this drop over the last few days, so iSimply AM is saying better buy incrementally on the way up. I mean, he must mean on the way down. All right, hey, what's up, Mr. Wilson or XT? Let's go back. Let's go ahead to VChain first. So VET BTC, it is still looking very strong. We got a big breakout on VET USD. So you take a look at VET BTC, ending diagonal right here. Okay, wedge pattern. It is pretty normal. Most of the time, these patterns, they drop back down to your 100 EMA. You know, on depending which time frame you're looking at. Okay, that's also another wedge right here, drop down to 100 EMA. So we bouncing back up, could get the V shape right here, and then get this retest of the 88 to 87 range. So VET, it is still a hold, pretty bullish. Okay, I mean 88 could hit over $1. I think like 88 $1 is very, very possible, right? So we're talking about 88 $9 to $10 right now, not like $1. James, guys, let's get it to 200 likes, right? That's all I need, 200 likes, and I'm gonna give you the best analysis. Second time, 2 times. It's been a long time. Thanks a lot for tuning in. SNX. Are we gonna take a look at SNX? Let's go back to BTC really quickly before we take a look at SNX. So we're about to close the hourly candle. That is probably why BTC is bouncing back up. It doesn't look bad, man. Things are bouncing back up, you know. Yeah, man, I'm still bullish on BTC, guys. I think like the bulls are being bearish right now, right? But we've been bullish on BTC since like 11K, so we can definitely stay bullish until we basically get a strong downtrend, and we're gonna basically change the strategy. But as of now, it is still looking pretty strong. I think it is just gonna gives you guys give us actually, right, another opportunity to buy the dip. That's all it is. Hard to find a divergence right here, so just do this. Let's get a clean chart. Let's take a look at the 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes got a small divergence, so we could get a bounce back up. We got a potential 15 minutes divergence right here, right? We got this move, so we could get this move back up, okay, right here, just to get rejected by the 15 minutes 100 EMA. That's going to be our next rejection area, our temporary rejection, up to 31.8, 31.5. If like the bullish divergence is going to play out right here. Volume is picking up nicely, right? Beautiful. But sell volume also increasing nicely, so we could get a nice correction right here in volume, drop back down, and then pump to the upside. So I'm very bullish on BTC, guys. I'm very bullish. I mean, yes, we do give these tips, okay? Like if you join my Discord group, right, before the drop, we did not long, okay? Excuse me. So in my Discord group, right, let's go ahead and take a look at my Discord group. So if you take a look at my Discord group, right, just about like 2 days ago on 19th, right here, when BTC was like 30, just about like 36,000, 37,000 range, what we said was like we're gonna be waiting for 30,700 to 30,000, you know, 37 to 31.7 area, okay? And we also been ready for the you know, the 3-day 21 EMA and all of that good stuff. So we give these type of you know, targets ahead, not like while market is dropping, okay? So most people basically been anticipating this drop in my premium. So if you take a look at Ethereum yesterday, our Ethereum target right here, okay? If you take a look at Ethereum target, we talked about it yesterday when Ethereum was nearly like 1300, right? We said we're going to be dropping right here, target 1089 to 980, okay? So that's like nearly you know, over 20% drop we've been expecting from Ethereum. So even though we're bullish on Ethereum on a macro scale, we did, you know, we've been anticipating this move and all of that good stuff, okay? We got an Ethereum, you know, private update on the 16th, expecting all of these good stuff, right, regarding Ethereum. So if you join my premium group, you can get these like weekly updates, okay, ahead of time. You're gonna basically know what's going on. You're not gonna FOMO, okay? We talk about everything that is happening right now regarding Ethereum on the 16th. That's 5 days ago, okay? So also if you take a look at our Ethereum previous target right here, okay, bullish divergence right here on Ethereum BTC, we are looking for 1288, bang, okay, we hit those targets right here. Long Ethereum, just about like 900 to 950, all the way up to 1388, okay, 1288, excuse me, all right? So, and got out and been looking for 950 to 1089, all right? So right here, okay, this was our previous target for Ethereum when Ethereum was pumping. Let's go back so you can see what's going on right here. Ethereum that time was like just about like 750, okay? We were looking for 944 and all of that good stuff, all right, guys? So the macro picture for Ethereum was this, okay? That was when Ethereum was like 640. That's when we started looking for Ethereum to pump all the way up to 1040, 1035. Okay, so we've been pretty pretty bullish on Ethereum since like 330, 410 area. Okay. So if you join, if you want to join the premium group, you just gotta join the public Telegram group, so you can get access to all the information you need to join my premium group for this juicy Julish move on both ends. Okay, upside and downside. All right. So we got 92 likes. That's great, guys. We almost 50% of our target. We only need 200 likes, guys. So only need, hey, what's up, Smelly Fit? Smelly Fit? Okay, Smelly Fit. That's his name. Okay, I just call it Smelly Fit. I'm just joking, okay? Make sure to hit the likes and subscribe. Thanks a lot, Jude. Jude is in our premium group, right? So guys, just make sure to subscribe, right? We got a target for our channel. We want to see, okay, we don't want to see BTC drop down to 10K, right? However, if Sun Crypto doesn't hit 10K, the likelihood of BTC dropping to 10K is very high. So if you're bullish on BTC, better subscribe so we can get to 10K. So if we hit our target, most likely we will never see 10K. So either beat Sun Crypto at 10K subscribers or BTC at 10K. So you tell me which one you want to see. Okay. So guys, be ready for the next move. Okay, be ready. Be ready for the next potential breakout for BTC. All right. If we get this MACD crossing bullish, right, we could basically try to hit you know, the 15 minutes 100 EMA right there. Okay, somewhere around here at you know, 31. Let's say 31.5. Okay, approximately. Hey, what's up, Mason? BZRX. I'm bullish on BZRX versus BTC. It is still a hold. It is one of our premium target. BZRX, we're looking for up to, let's double check it. We got a target up to 1,000, right? We got target for BZRX. It is still a hold versus BTC. So that's the type of thing you get with Sun Crypto. We bullish on BZRX from like 600, right? We're looking for 1,000, 1,400, and 1,600. Okay, we got a target all the way up to 2,100. All right, so it is still a good hold. It could move sideways over the next like a few days and so on versus BTC. So on the next leg up, it can still drop back down, so keep an eye on a potential drop back down to low 700, 750, 730, okay, before the next leg up. Okay, for the next leg. It is very Julish. Okay, very Julish. So make sure to hit the likes, right? Hey, what's up, Oleg? Thanks a lot for tuning in. The Colombian TV in the house. How many times have you how many times do you have to ask about what? Oh, is Litecoin going to explode today? Oh no, I can't give you any time analysis. Litecoin is the hold. Okay, that's all you have to do. Okay, I cannot say today or tomorrow, but it is going to explode. Not financial advice, right? Hey, what's up, Farhead? Farad, or Farhead, whatever. I mean, whichever is correct. Next, Scott Gang in the house. Hey, Farhead, make sure to hit the make sure to subscribe, right? V Stone in the house, make sure to subscribe to and join the public Telegram group and like also. All right, so let's go back to BTC. Actually, let's take a look at Litecoin for the Colombian TV. So Litecoin, it is still okay. I think like Litecoin got a chance to create a potential bullish divergence right here, right, and another move to the upside right here, right. and a potential drop right here. So it could be just a correction before the next move. If we do not get this correction, the bullish divergence, right? If the bullish divergence is strong enough right here, we can just take it to the upside without even making a complex correction by dropping right here. Okay, so Litecoin, it is still a hold, right? Any drop below, you know, any drop down to $100 is going to be a steal for Litecoin. So Link bounced back up nicely to our target, right there, $17. Okay, right there. But it is not showing a strength yet, so give it time to digest the big move. All right. 24-hour volume is over the market cap. I mean, it could be selling volume, right? Because market is dropping, so be cautious, right? Info made easy. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe. Info made easy. But Barisha says, I just put my BTC back in to my ledger, and I'm just gonna sit tight, relax, and wait for 150k BTC. You're doing a good job, Barisha. Just sit tight, relax, okay? So just subscribe and hit the likes, and we're gonna see you at 150. All right? K, okay? 150k, not 100, not $150. Bitcoin is going back up. Let's see. So it is not going back up, it is just correcting. I just showed you on the 15 minutes, right? So I just showed you on the 15 minutes. So no sort of divergence on the 8 hour. In order to get a strong move on BTC, you want to get like some sort of divergences on your time frame, at least on your hourly basis. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at SNX. Somebody just asked about SNX. So SNX, check SNX BTC. That might give us a better clue. So SNX BTC is bouncing back up. So beautiful setup right here. So upside target is almost like, you know, 55,000. So it still got some room to go. So it is still a hold if you want to hold it versus BTC. Okay. A nice bullish divergence right here, both on MACD and RSI. Bang, bang. Okay, so we could get this move to the upside. All right. If we break this key area, just wait for for price action to retest the trend line right here. Let's do this. It has a clean setup. Okay, so either the bullish divergence gonna play out, or you're just gonna drop down here to like 35,000. And you're gonna buy the dip, and you can get the move to the upside, right? That is also very, very possible. So short term still bullish, okay? Upside target right there, like 56,000. The way we're gonna get there, that's a big problem. That's it. If you like triangle, you could also call it a triangle. 1-to-1 extension right here, okay? And you're gonna get it. Either way you look at it, it is bullish. Very, very bullish. EOS is just moving sideways. Hey, what's up, Art? You're looking for Ethereum Classic? Subscribe first, right? And hit the likes, right? Make sure you do that. Take a look at ETC. Hey guys, so if you have any alt, guys, let me know if you have any alt. So Ether BTC just moving sideways. Just give it some time to just give it time to to digest the move. What we were looking for in my premium was like I think somebody asked. I think it was like Buzz when Ether was right there. So I was saying like wait for a retest of this move. So we got this move. That was the W right here. So now it is just correcting. That could be our W. That could be our X potential move and our Y correction. So Ether BTC right now could retest all the way down to like 0.033, right? So which is another potential 10% drop versus BTC right here. So that's what I was waiting for yesterday when Buzz asked for the setup for Ether BTC. Yes, guys. If you're subscribers, you can ask question. Okay. If you're not a subscribers yet, you might want to subscribe first. All right. I mean, you should not even be writing anything in the chat room if you're not a subscriber. I'm just joking. But if I'm gonna make it very tight. You gotta be a subscriber to write in the chat room. Let's take a look at it. SXP just moving sideways for now, but I'm very bullish on it. On the next alt run up, it could definitely. Let's go ahead and take a look at SXP. It is one of my top pick for this year. SXP BTC. Let's check it. It is still moving sideways, right? It is still moving sideways. It could drop lower right here and give you a potential channel right here. Okay, so if it drops down here, it is still okay down to like 2400 and we still can get the big move. So it is still a hold. Okay. Hey, what's up, Roy? STFU. I don't know what that means. Okay. So is that a ticker? I don't know. What type of alt is that? Okay, great, Panda Fury. You already subscribed. Let me take a break. I want to ask something serious. I bought 7 million Costco BCX coin and it's gonna go to 1,000 to 1 on Binance. What does it mean? You bought at 0006 and it is now 0.66. I mean, no, if like you're gonna get a 1,000 to 1, it only means like it is going to get, let's see, you had a, you're not gonna make any profits. All you make, it's kind of like VChain. When VChain did a I think VChain did 1 to 100, right? So if you're holding, one of them, one VChain, it is going to get diluted up to 100. But I think you're saying like 1,000 to 1, so it is going to get multiplied by 1,000, divided by 1,000, right? So that's why you're getting right now 0.66. Yes, you bought at 0.006, right? No, 0.0006, and now it is at 0.66, right? Yes, they multiply by 1,000. That's it. So you're not losing anything, or you're not making any profit neither. Okay. Okay, great, Barisha. You just sitting on your Ether. That's great. The Mr. Polish Mike in the house. He said, "Hey, San." He loved Monero. He said, "I love Monero." So let's check Monero for the Polish man. So Monero, let's check Monero BTC. So Monero BTC on a bull flag. That was reaccumulation right here. Price action dropped below the support area. Now it is creating a bull flag. Support right here. Okay, your resistance right there. Okay, that's pretty easy. If it drops down here, it is going to be a buy, and a pump right here, it is going to be a sell for another pullback before you take it to the upside. If we're going to be Monero going to be in a bull market. However, you also got a potential bearish setup, which is like a double top, double bottom, where you're going to be moving sideways just to make a decision whether you're going to be pumping or you're going to be dumping. Okay, so right now it is still a hold to get a directional move. Will they lower Ethereum fees? I mean, the fee is gonna drop, man, with the new Ethereum 2.0 over the next few years. Hey, what's up, Moji Stream? Sell Ethereum, and when do I need to buy on this dip? Moji, I mean, look for the low 1,000 to a low $900, and you could sit tight, relax. Did you bet? Mini is saying like Zcash, can it rise back up? Can it pump back up? Yes, it's gonna pump back up. I think Zcash is at let's see. I think last time we talked about Zcash, we were looking for what, 88? I'm not sure if yes, we're looking for 88 support. It even broke the 80 support right here, right? So we got next support for Zcash all the way down to like 64 to like 71, but it is a hold right now. So it looks like a 5-way structure to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, and you got way B, C to the downside. So Zcash, you could be looking for 71, right? And next 64 support area, 87 got broke, so got broken. So you got another support right here. You cannot send Wi-Fi without paying with Ethereum. I mean, you just have to deal with it, man. Fees are fees. You can't cry about it. So guys, we got 149 watching, right? 112 likes. It means like 112 people, okay, already subscribed. So if you did not hit the likes, it means you did not subscribe, right? That's what it means, right? So subscribe first, right, and then hit the likes, okay? Because I think the hardest thing is like to subscribe, not to hit the likes. So let's go ahead and take a look at DOT again for Alonzo, because Alonzo is a DOT moon boy. So DOT did not hit our 14 to 13 range, right? But it did bounce off a 14.7, okay? It can still drop all the way down to 13. So just give it some time, all right? It is just correcting. We are pumping. Ether is pumping 1143. Great. So Ether, that's what we told you. We could drop down to like 1089, bounce back up to 1140, or even up to like a 1240 range. But it all depends on the volatility, right? So I think we should be bouncing back up this weekend. We should have a nice pump this weekend if like we complete the correction over the next few hours, okay, and a nice pump back up. So alt, they just pumping back up today, 15 minutes, 21 EMA. So let's take a look at RLC right now. It is pumping back to the 15 minutes, 21 EMA. It looks like a short entry right there. Yep, it is. That's a 382 pullback. MACD just crossed bullish. Right, so no divergence. So that's a nice short scalp. So if you're looking for a short scalp, right there, if it pumps back up to 100 EMA 15 minutes, that's going to be even better, right? And gonna get this move back down. If we get a divergence, that could basically pump back up, right? Give you a double top, double bottom, and bang. Okay. So RLC, keep an eye on it. That's just a tip, right? Not a recommendation, okay? So for those of you guys scalping right now, that's a nice short right there, from like 113 all the way up to like probably like 115, right? BTC just hit 26. Are you crazy? 26? I don't think. You mean 29? You must flip your 6, right? That basically did not hit. So BTC right here, guys, it looks like we're about to get a bounce. So be cautious, guys. So right here, okay, right there, looks like we're gonna get the bounce, guys. Looks like we're gonna get the bounce. Beautiful setup right here. MACD also pretty bullish. So that's a long right here. So that basically come from our long. So we just need a 5 minutes bullish divergence. Let's check the 5 minutes right now, because we got 15. Yep, we got 5 minutes right there, right here, right? But that could potentially mess up our bullish divergence on the 15 minutes. So rejection going to be somewhere around like 31.4, 31.5, and this move right here going to create our 15 minutes, okay, you know, retest, okay, right here. That's what I see, okay. Is BTC going to like 45,000? It will, not right now though. I know that was a mistake. I know you probably meant to say 29,000. Let's take a look at DGB. Hey guys, we got 114 likes, right? So it means all of you guys, all right, all of those 114 already subscribed. So we need 84 more likes. So let's keep it up. If you forget to hit the likes, just do it now. Let's go ahead and take a look at it on Bittrex. Yeah, did you buy the? It is gonna bounce back up very soon. Very soon, guys. Sucker gonna pump hard very soon. Okay, we got the wedge pattern right here on a 2-day basis. Very accumulative, right? So it means like every dips got to get bought up, okay, while we doing this, okay. Price action can still be doing this, bang, okay. So very bullish, okay. We can get the bounce back up very soon. Resistance to look for 150, okay, up to 150 actually. 38k 28k next support, yes. Bitcoin Cash for Clay. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash, it is not looking strong versus BTC. That's why sometimes it suffers a lot. But you could be looking for support all the way down to like 372 to 354. Okay. 2-day MACD is still not crossing bearish yet. Yeah, right here, 372. Bitcoin back to my support level 307. If you guys remember in our premium, our support we are looking for 307. Okay, if it dropped 307, no need to do anything until we hit basically 27.7. Okay, that's gonna give you a good average. All right. Hey Sen, what do you think about GRT? GRT, it is pretty new. So hey, what's up, Doomsy in the house? GRT is pretty new. So Marvin in the house. So give it like few more weeks, few more months to you know, get used to the market, right? Rand, let's take a look at Rand. Rand used to have a lot of hype, but I don't see like anyone talking about rep right now. But maybe I don't watch any fundamentals. But so let's see if rep we can hit the 3600, right? It has a nice bullish divergence right here on the two. Actually, we did not get any bullish divergence right here. For some reason, it just pumped beautifully, right? So resistance got hit just what we hit resistance, broke it 1505. So it is still a hold, right? If we break the November resistance, which is like 21,000. So most alt don't get the chance to break November resistance, right? So it might be time to take some profits versus BTC. Okay, if we correct right here, breakout, you can buy it and take it to the upside right here. Okay. Hey, what's up, Chris H? Make sure to sub and for BSV analysis, right? So Bitcoin Cash, I mean, it is still within the trend line. So if you full mode, right, on this pump, right, on this 80% pump, 90% pump, you must be, you know, must just have to wait, right? You could be looking for a potential target in the near future, right there. If and only if, right, we do not break this support level right here. Okay, if we break it, first target right there, just about like 81, you got 81 target support, and you got 55 support. But these are long-term supports, right? The immediate, you know, immediate trend is calling for a reversal, so I would focus on the $500, $600 range. Let's go back to market is green, guys. It is green again. The first hour of the day was like everything was like 10% down. Yeah, the first hour of the day, everything was like 10% down. We got a tweezer bottom right here, so that's, but the volume is not that high right here. If like we get sandwiched like by another high volume, that is a continuation pattern. Okay, so it has to stay green, and we don't want to get a low volume right here, also buying pressure. Okay, it could do this. What should you do with your Bitcoin? I don't know, maybe just hodl it, man. Mr. Lil Broomstick, make sure to subscribe, right? And you know the next thing to do after that, hit the likes. Yashua in the house. SNGLS. I'm gonna talk about it for a while. I think it's singular something. Singular TV. Low volume. It is a hold. Okay. It is a hold. You got your divergence right here. Right. That's your high time frame divergence. You cannot see it on your 8 hour. You got your fake out pump right here. Price action still making high highs. You're looking to break your resistance, and you're gonna look for to hit your big resistance right here, just about 45. Check it on a 2-day basis to confirm the analysis. Yep, you got your divergence right there. Right here. Was not very strong, but you could use this one. So any dips right now, it is a buying opportunity right here, just to get your MACD to level up. Okay, so just accumulate before the next move. Hey, what's up, Mr. Kareem? Kareem in the house. Kareem Abdullah in the house. Kareem, make sure to subscribe and hit the likes. Yeah, man, you're shorting this market right now. It is very, very dangerous. You're welcome, Yashua Saves. Make sure to subscribe, Yashua. Guys, let's see. Let's do this. Let me check something really, really quickly. Link bounced back up nicely, guys. let's double check for link. Okay, link USD. So if you go in our premium group, right, if I show you our premium group link target right there, just got nailed right there, $17. Bang. Okay, that's the type of setup you are getting from some crypto, and link was like nearly $21. Okay, 21 and a half. All right, bang. Okay, right there. If you take a look at our dot target, let's take a look at dot. For that down to, I can't find the dot target, but VChain target previously, bang. Okay, SXP target hit beautifully. Okay, from the low 70s. Go to altcoins. Our dot support, bang. Okay, we're still looking for 13.5 to 12. Hit basically just about 15. QSP looking for a breakout to the upside, and all of that good stuff. Let's go back to let's go back, check the BTC down, because BTC down was giving us a direction earlier, right? When we were anticipating a BTC reversal, right? What we were saying was like the BTC down looks pretty. It just hit the 6-hour 100 EMA, so BTC could be bouncing back up very, very soon. The BTC down just hit our target resistance right there. Okay, right here, bounce hit basically resistance of the January 5th resistance also, which is 6-hour 100 EMA. The highest it could go is like probably right the 8-hour 100 EMA, just about 51 cents. Okay, also daily 21 EMA resistance is right here. So let's see, we could get a temporary break from the BTC down. Tezos is just moving sideways. But I'm still bullish on Tezos. A big move is coming, right? We got a big move, incoming big move for Tezos. Okay, just wait. Yep, BTC is back up. VGX is BQX. Let's check. It is overextended, guys. I don't know why you guys, some people love to buy things that pump like 500%, right? Stuff like that. So let it cool off. Look for swing low to swing high. It's 382. It is a good hold right here after 382 retracement. It could try to pump back up to the top, and you got 50% at 2030 and 0.618 at 1550. Right there, just by 1600. So next support right here, 0.618, just about 1600, 50% pullback, just about 2000. What's up, wet dream? Make sure, I mean wet debt, not wet dream, slippery went debt. Make sure to hit the likes and subscribe. We're gonna take a look at ADA for you. So ADA is still holding very strong versus BTC. As you can see, a nice bump back up so nicely. Okay, so ADA is still looking very strong right now. Pump back up from the 6-hour 100 EMA. We're not breaking it. If we break it, you know what to look for. You could be looking for all the way down to 21 cents, right? But any dips right now is a bullish sell-off, nothing bearish. Okay, but just it is still a hold. That's the ending diagonal. You could still make a move to drop down here. Simply AM in a house. I don't know what it is. I thought that's what he wrote, so I just read you know what I just said. That's it. Let's move on to crypto right now. Just wanted to make you laugh, guys. That's it. Some of you guys in the chat room can answer that question. What is that? Whatever. BAT is bouncing back up nicely. If you take a look at BAT, right? I've been talking about BAT guys. BAT guys, about to hit our target versus BTC. All right, 12% up, 12% up, guys. Showed you, and sucker can pump all the way up to 1500. Right now it's just 900. Right, so right here. So time to pay attention to Alta, guys. So let's check. Let's go ahead and check Tezos, because I'm still bullish on Tezos. Let's see. Yeah, Tezos BTC is about to break out, guys. It is about to break out. It hit our target right here. I was waiting for it yesterday, so we could get a big breakout from Tezos over the next few days. Okay, right here. Okay, could get a 20% to a 45% move on BTC. Right. Take a look at Tezos USD. Nice drop yesterday. Right. I was expecting this drop right here. So if we're gonna be bouncing, we could definitely bounce back up right here to like a 320. Okay. So Tezos is a good hold. Try to add more right here yesterday, around like 2.7, but waited. Yeah, Tezos is a hold, guys. We got the 5-way structure right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is just a correction right here, and we're gonna get this move somewhere around here, 3.5 all the way up to 4.3. So Tezos is bullish. Go back to Ethereum. Oh gosh, Ethereum back 2% up now. BTC is dropping. BTC is 30,500, guys. So Yeah, Mark BEC is saying BTC is extremely bullish. So guys, if you haven't joined our public Telegram group, make sure to do so, right? So you can so we got a public Telegram group, almost 800 traders in there. So if you haven't joined yet, make sure to join our public Telegram group so you can definitely get access to all of these good stuff right here. Okay. And make sure to check my pinned messages right there. Click on it so you can get all my targets, right? So right here, that's a balancer target I gave you guys a couple days ago. It already hit all these targets, most of them, right? Gave you SXP target, it is still bullish. I gave you Kava target and many other targets, okay? And the CRV target also. Let's double check right here, okay? Right here. So BTC, I already explained to you guys everything, okay? Like this is actually like when did I say it? January 7th, right? I explained to you guys you know, why BTC could basically retrace down all the way down to 27.7, okay? So right here, the yearly low is at 27.7. So dropping down to 27.7, you know, it is okay, okay? It is okay. So we talk about, you know, all of these good stuff in our premium also, so you can basically you know, join the public Telegram group to get access to all of the good stuff. Sorry for the white screen. Go back to BTC right here. The current pattern is not. Hey, what's up, little broomstick? Okay, little broomstick, make sure to subscribe. All right, the pattern is not the same. Just have to wait, right, for the next move to the upside. If we get this, if like we get the move right here, okay, to the upside, get rejected with a lower low, okay, I mean lower high, right? We're already creating lower low. If we get the rejection, it could do this, and we're gonna get the same setup we got back in 2017. So I'm pretty aware of it, right? I already showed you the pattern right here. We're creating, that's the pattern we got back in 2019 already on the 3 weeks basis, right? That's the pattern we got right here. Okay, if you take a look at the pattern right here, right, look at it right here, okay, on a 3 weeks basis, right? This is a 3 weeks chart, right here, and this one is a 3-day chart, okay? That's a 3-day chart, right? What you got back then was like right here. So we nailed this one. We nailed this one, okay? We nailed all the tops, okay? The top at 13 and 12 too, everything, and the 10K, bang, okay? Take a look at it, what we got right here. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 1, 2, 3, and we got this fourth one right here. small one, and then we got this one right here. So if you take a look at the structure, it is the same exact structure as we got back in 2019. Same exact structure. Same exact structure. So what we're looking for, we're looking for support at the 3-day 21 EMA right here. So we can definitely get a support at 27.7, which is yearly low. Bitcoin always, okay, 9 out of 10, it is going to retest the yearly low. Okay, either we're going to retest it now, or we're going to go up to like 80,000 and still drop back down to 27,000. I think it is better to retest it now and, you know, forget about it than try to retest it later on. So same exact structure, same exact fractal, guys. You only get this type of setup. Yeah, Tezos is pumping. Okay, we're bullish on Tezos, so yeah, that's the same setup. So 27.7, right, range to 27,000 right here, going to be a good support, and we could move sideways before the next pump back up to like 36 to 38 range. Okay, that could be the next challenge right now if we do not break the 36 to 38. Let's go back to Tezos. Yeah, let it pump back up to 31.8, which is 1 hour 21 right here. That's the bearish setup we're gonna be looking for. Let's go back to XTZ. Market is green, guys. Market is green. 80% green right now on the daily. Yeah, 60 to 80% green. Yep, Tezos pumping right there. It has a bullish, not a bullish divergence. It means it is going to come back down. So be cautious with Tezos with this move back down, because we don't have a bullish divergence on the hourly, right? But if you want to trade Tezos BTC, that's what you need to pay attention to. I've been telling you over the last few days. Tezos, Bezos. I've been telling you guys, I've been telling you sucker gonna be pumping. Told you long time ago sucker gonna be pumping right here. Told you long time ago sucker gonna be pumping. So we got another potential 14% move versus BTC. So Tezos very bullish, okay? And we were bullish on Tezos right here, guys, right here, just about 650. Okay, 650. So when BTC is down, I'm gonna give you one tip. Don't trade Alt USD. Just trade Alt BTC when BTC is dropping. Because if you trade the Alt USD, they're not gonna pump a lot. Okay. So that's our setup, right, for Tezos. BTC. That was like, you know, not even like less than 3 days ago, on the 15th. Okay, we called it like Tezos was like 750. Okay, 770. Okay, 7,700. But we were bullish on Tezos even within the triangle before the breakout, and looking for this blue line right here, which is like almost 12,000. Okay, blue line right here. Okay, that's the type of setup you get from Send Crypto, right? Just like this setup is the same setup as you know, Kusama, you know, but Kusama USD before the breakout. Okay, Kusama BTC, we bought it at the bottom, but what I'm trying to say is like the flat correction right here, double bottom, bang. So most of you guys been watching over the last few days, so you knew we were bullish on Tezos, so that's not a secret, right? So the good news also with Tezos is like we dropped down to a support area right here. Yeah. So since BTC is down, you're not going to see the gains in dollar value, right? But however, once Tezos pump like to 12,000 and stays there, if BTC pumps like even 5%, it's going to affect a lot the dollar value of Tezos. Okay. Sucker 10% up. So we just need to break this trend line right here. If we break it, that's it. So if you did not buy Tezos, you might not want to jump in, because just in case, right, we don't break this line, trend line, and retest this one before getting a very explosive move. So I'm aware of that possibility also, right? But as of now, we just stick with the possibility of breaking out. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at QDOM, because QDOM got a similar structure. It's been quiet. Let me check the chat room first. XRP GOD in the house. And we got XRP-G in the house. We got two XRP Moon Boys in the house. And I have both of them subscribed already also. Market did bounce nicely. Take a look at Tomo also. Big rebound. Tomo hit our target right there. Green box 145. We're bullish on Tomo right here. Okay, 60 cents, 70 cents. Okay. But this ending diagonal right here just killed it. It has to do this. It could still do this and do this. So Tomo, play the game, play the color game, right? Take it to the upside, drop it back down. That's it. Tron, I'm very bullish on Tron also, guys. Tron could be pumping very, very soon. I've been telling you, since just like Tron and Tezos, right? Same setup right here. We got target up to basically 125 to 130 right here, and we got another one at 143 and so on. Okay, could pump all the way up to 200 sats. 100% move from Tezos and from Tron. MACD above the histogram right here. We already got the accumulation move, okay, all the way up above the histogram. Price action been making lower lows. MACD been telling you don't sell, don't sell, don't sell. It's time to go to the moon. It's time to go to the moon, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Bang. Okay. I mean, I don't know. They're all gonna go back to August high. It is just a matter of time. The suckers are bouncing back up. Possible. you got a lot of CELO. I think it is pulling back. It is still a hold. Ether is pumping. Let's go back to Ether. Ether we nailed our Ether target, so let's see. Yeah, we nailed our Ether target at 1080, 1089, right? Beautifully, right? We nailed our target right there, 1089. It hit like 1044, okay? So that's a premium target also, guys. So Ether, it is still very, very bullish. So just give it time. The move is pretty linear right here. So give it time to correct, okay? It is gonna come back down to retest it, right? It is gonna come back down to it. So no need to FOMO right now, okay? So no doubt. Let's see if like we got any sort of divergence. No divergence on the 4 hour. No divergence on the 2 hour. No divergence on the hourly. No divergence on the 30 minutes, right? No divergence down to the 15 minutes, right? So let it retest it. So no sort of a reversal yet. Okay, let it retest it right here, and your price, your MACD gonna do something like that potentially, depending on how strong the selling pressure going to be. It doesn't have to cross bearish. It could still just do this, right? A strong one like that, and you get this and you get that, right? So let it come back down just to confirm it. Okay, let it come, just like what you got right here. You see, just like what you got right here. You see the first pump, you don't buy it. You wait for this move, you buy the retest. Okay, you take it to the upside, you're scalping, right? You got the move, you're done. Bang, it continued a downtrend. That's none of your business, right? Your business is like the divergence. Hey, what's up? We got Tyler Smith in the house from Sydney, Australia. Whoa, we got these Australian moon boys in the house, like Jude. Thanks a lot, Tyler, for subscribing and hitting the likes. CGLD. So make sure to subscribe. XRP GOD. You got $1,000. XRP GOD is saying, I got $1,000. What should I buy right now? I mean, your name is XRP, so you should be buying XRP, right? So CGLD, Saka is on Coinbase. It's double tapping, man. At $3 right here. I think we did talk about this sucker a long time ago, right? Because we highlighted 1.27 to 1.41. It means we did talk about it. So it pump, double tap. Gotta let it cool off, right? I can't do any analysis right now because it can still drop down, right? So let it cool off. Retest your EMAs right here. You got a potential trend lines right there. So you buy it in this box first, and then we're gonna take a look at it, right? Hey, what's up, Mr. Ola? Mr. Ola in the house. Thanks a lot, Ola, for tuning in, man. Don't forget to hit the likes and subscribe also, okay? Mr. Ola is saying, great TAs and crypto. You're welcome, man. Guys, you see, if you panic, right, you would be shorting BTC. Right now, market is green like that, right? You see, everything is nearly green, okay? Only PHB sucker is 10% down. Sushi is back up $7. Everything 10% up, man. You see, not 10% up, but you know, minus 1%. You got Tezos 11% leading the way. Wi-Fi 4% up. Look at Wi-Fi was like 24,000 not too long ago, like 26. See? And I already gave you the Wi-Fi play. Okay, last time I told you buy right here. Don't buy this move. This move is ending diagonal. It's gonna come back down to the origin right here. Okay, we got you know, $50,000 target, price target for Wi-Fi, but it's not gonna get there easily. Okay, just like the move we got right here, target was 36 to 40,000, but it did drop right here before pumping to 36 to 40,000. Similarly, we got target at 55,000. It is gonna correct before giving you the move. Bang, guys, come on, man. You're talking with some crypto now, the king of alt. Okay. Hey, Mr. Harris, is Ether gonna pump to the upside? Very, very likely later on. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Okay, great XRP GOD. Where's the other XRP guy? XRPG. We got two XRPs, XRP GOD and XRPG. Where should you put your money now? I don't know. I really don't know. I just do the analysis after you put your money somewhere, right? I can tell you where to put your money, right? If you join the premium, I mean, you get like different setups, bullish and bearish setup, and you can choose where to put your money, right? So join the premium group so you can get access to our beautiful setups. So right here, you take a look at it. Also, I wasn't bullish on this one for some reason. Okay, so we did get this ending diagonal right here, and then we did pump, get another, you know, potential. That was an ending diagonal, but it was a beautiful setup. Okay, but Wi-Fi, we're gonna be looking for 55,000 before end of the year. What's up, Sahir? Do you think Ethereum will go down much lower? I don't know. My target is 950, 1050. We already hit it, so we're gonna wait for the next few days. Okay, if we drop down to 850, 800, it is gonna be a good buy, but it might take some time to get to that area. Hey Sahil, you just join in, right? Ola, you just join in, just hit the like, subscribe also, all right? And also Tyler from Australia. Trevor saying, who's talking right here? Let's go ahead and take a look at CeeLo. CeeLo, it had a nice chart. We talked about it, I think, last month, right? If I remember well, I haven't checked it since then, but I think we were talking about it pulling back down, right? No, it's not this one. It's not CeeLo. I think it's Celsius we talk about. So CeeLo, Chilo, whatever you name it, I don't know. Accumulation, breakout. Just keep it, okay? It's gonna cool off, but don't panic, okay? It's just gonna do something like this to give you time to decide what you're gonna do, right? Still a hold. Kojak in a house, 88. It can drop all the way down to low 20 cents, okay? So I'm not saying it will, but just be ready to buy the dip. That's all I'm trying to tell you. If we don't find support right now, I'm bullish on it. I think we can pump all the way up to like above $1, but in a short term, right? If market going to correct, you know how to deal with it, okay? You're not going to be panicking. Our previous target was 39 to 42. We already hit it, so BAT up 13% from support right here to all these people short in the market. Look at what we got for BAT, guys. Beautiful reversal. Okay, we got target for BAT up to 44 cents, guys. So just have to, be patient. Uni is just correcting right now. It got some more juice. Oh gosh. So XLM, I was bullish on XLM. I'm still bullish on XLM, but I knew it could drop down to 20 cents, 23 cents. It did that exactly. So XLM right now, it is a strong hold. So if you bought it around like 28, 31 cents, we dropped down to like 22 to 23 as we expected, right? So we could be bouncing back up, all right? So it is still a good hold. Just wait for market to correct and you can add on. Don't be in rush. You got like 12 more months to play with this guy, right? Even if like we're gonna be playing a trend game, you can still buy right here again. Okay, so all my money in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Tezos. Should I be pulling my money out right now for some future moves? That's what Snov B is asking. I mean, it all depends on your strategy. If you're a long-term hodler, I think, my own opinion is like, just play it right. Nothing wrong to take some profits and buy back cheaper. Nothing wrong also to huddle for the end of the year market peak, right? If we're in a bull market. So just play it right. I can't tell you how to play your money, right? So if you believe in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Tezos strong enough, if you believe in them and you put your money in them, you got to be able to digest this 10%, 15% move. Okay, there's no way you're gonna get 100x, right, without being able to digest 30% pullback, right? That's it. Gotta be able to suck it up, man. Just suck it up, okay? Let's see. King XRP is still moving sideways, all right? So XRP, I like to see, daily divergence at least, right? We got the first crossover right here, so it is very accumulative right here. Okay, so what we need to see, we want to see another crossover. We want to see it right now, bullish one right here, or we can get it right here. We just don't know. So just wait for XRP. No need to be in rush. You just buy the dips. All right, hey, what's up, Jude? So you took the Ether short from 1300 in our premium. Okay, great. So basically what is he saying is like, if we go to my premium, all right, he's saying like yesterday, right, like on the, let's see, right here, that's what we said. Ether was like just about 1300. We are looking for what? Ether next target 1089, 980. That's what he's saying. We hit target beautifully, 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 beautifully. So it took the shot. So that's a premium target. We already hit it. And let's see what we're gonna get right here. So XRP, guys, just wait, man. just wait, it is accumulating right now. We might not get the bearish crossover right here, right? It is still gonna be okay for the bulls, for the bears also. It could just accumulate right here, but however, if we get the MACD above the histogram on the daily, that could moonshot. Okay, this is our flat correction right here. This could drop all the way down here, okay, and give us a potential wedge, big wedge pattern right there, and we're gonna shoot up to like a $10. Okay, so just wait, buy the dip, XRP down 10%, you add more. Okay, 25, 28, 25, 23, 18, 16, 11, and all of that, just buy the dip all the way down to here. That could be the next potential move we're going to be looking for, XRP. And we could also get this big wedge pattern. Right? Could get this big wedge pattern right here. Okay. Even if it does something like this, okay, that's still going to be bullish. You just have to wait for your MACD to give you a second crossover. That's it. I'm very bullish on XRP. We could get the big move before end of the year, the 10x, 20, 30x move. Let's see. We got one. Hey guys, we got 111 watching, 136 likes. So if you just join in the stream, just make sure to hit the likes, right? Thanks a lot, Kojak. Jacko. Kajo. Kojak Kajo. Let's see. What to short right now, guys? What do you guys want to short right now? I really don't want to short anything, to be honest. If you did not short yesterday or the day before yesterday, may not be a good time to short right now. Guys, what do you want to short? Let me know. Let me know what you guys want to short, so we can take a look at it to see if it is shortable. Just watch your we already hit our target on this one, so let's see. This is a potential play I was showing you guys live. Okay, I told you guys send crypto, killing it, man. I'm telling you guys. Let's rewind it back. Okay, right here. So guys, live stream, right? When? On the 17th, market was right here. What we said, guys, this move right here, right there, right here is gonna come back right down here. And once we get this move down, we're gonna get this move back up, guys. So don't be too bullish on BTC, because BTC down, it is most likely gonna make this play with this flat correction right here. And we're gonna retest the top right here. That's why you are seeing the green box right there. Okay, if I play it right now, guys, this is what you get with send crypto. Right? Bang, bang, bang. That's exactly what you get, guys. You're gonna ask me how I knew, because guys, this is my signature play. Okay, this is my signature play. If you go take a look at Tezos, that's the same exact thing I told you on Tezos. Same exact thing I told you on Tezos right here. Okay, same exact play. Told you guys, this move right here, right, is gonna drop right down here. You're gonna get the flat correction right there. It is gonna get the moon. Okay, you take a look at Neo. Let's go ahead and take a look at Neo. Not even Neo, Waves. Okay, because Wave 1 was live also, right? Take a look at Waves. What we said for Wave. When Waves was right here, right? we say it's going to drop down here and it is going to moon. Okay, so wave was a hold. Said we're going to do this, we're going to do that, we're going to do this, we're going to drop, and we're going to pump up to our target. That's why we're bullish on wave USD, $5, okay, all the way up to $8. Okay, how about shorting BQX? I don't want to, I mean, not that one. That one is crazy, man. Short the low volatility one. BQX. BQX, it is the XV, is it a VGX? I don't think you can short you can short it on Binance. I wouldn't be surprised to see it on the Binance future very soon. Okay, it is highly volatile. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got your 5 waves, right? And after that, you got your A, B, and C correction. Don't short it. Let it pull back right here first, right there. Okay, just about like $1.29 first. Okay, let it pull back. It is a support for our 100 EMA and 6 hour potentially 100 EMA, right? You don't want to short it, right? You don't want to short it. Don't short this sucker. Don't short it. Your best bet is like to start shorting at the 21 EMA right there, just about $1. That's your best bet. And if you're comfortable of waiting, if it pump 30% more, you add more, because you're likely going to get at least another pullback right here. Right, so let's take a look at Dan 78.89. I don't use Tether. I mean, to trade, yeah, I don't use it to buy anything. BTC next 6 hour candle. Let's see. Bitcoin next 6 hour candle close. What are we looking for? It is bearish on 6 hour. So I mean, right now can't do anything with the 6 hour. Just have to, you know, analyze it on the hourly, where you know gonna get a potential rejection up to a 31.6. Okay. SCRT. I don't check SCRT, but SCRT. I know it is pretty volatile. Guys, yeah, it looks like it's gonna lose some BTC value right there. Yeah, let's analyze it based on trend line. So that's pretty bearish, right? Now let's check our waves. 1, 2, right? That could potentially be wave 3, wave 4 right here, and ending diagonal wave 5. If we do a swing low to swing high, we at 236 double bottom. If we break it, we could look for 382. Easy analysis, guys. So another 10 to 15% drop right here, down to like 31.50. Easy analysis. That's it. 31.50. In my opinion, is ADA a good buy at 31? ADA is a good buy. Anything below 30 cents, all the way down to 20 cents. Okay, I know it's a big gap, but just a lot of position, not financial advice, right? It depends if you want to wait for till the end of the year or if you're just trading it for a weekly time frame, right? If you're trading it for the macro view, I think 30 cents is a steal. Anything below it, you're gonna look back within the next few weeks, you're gonna be saying, man, I wish, okay, I bought this sucker. So BAT, let me show you guys in our premium group, right, how bullish we were on BAT. We've been talking about it over the last few days. Okay, it's FET, not FET. Okay, BLD, ICX, not you. Okay, so we got one BTC target right here also, just to give you guys a quick check, right? So okay, BAT. So the dollar value is still bullish on it. So that was the Tezos USD target. It is still in play. I may need to search the BAT BTC right here. Okay, you see, we don't call for random targets. Okay, BAT price was 755. 755, right? Right now, what's the price of BAT? 910. 910, guys. Right here. Let's go to BAT. Right? Take a look at BAT. When were we bullish on BAT? Right here. 755. 755, right there. Take a look at it right now. Pump 30%. Okay. Okay. Easy. Capiche? Capiche, right? Got it? It is still a buy. It is still a buy. It is very bullish because we can go all the way up to basically 1500. Okay? It is still a buy. I was just being conservative up to 1000. Okay? We got a potential move. It is still a hold. Hey, what's up, Mr. Walton in the house? Walton Jr. Rosanabi, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. I know you already subscribed, so I don't even need to ask you. CRV targets, join our public Telegram group and you're gonna get the targets. Okay, CRV, we just killed it. Okay, I already sent you a video, like updates regarding CRV. All right, join the public Telegram group and just type CRV USDT and it's gonna pop out the video. We just hit the $2 $1.95 target, so it's gonna cool off. Okay, we got target up to $5, so but it's not gonna come in one go. Who's this sucker pumping again? BAT. So BNB, most people basically sleeping on BNB. Once again, I've been telling you about BNB, guys, over the last few days. Okay, we could get this move still, right? But this guy gonna pump. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, just like I told you about Tezos, keep an eye on BNB. I mean, Ether, once again, man, it all depends if you're a long-term hodler or you're a short-term trader. But Ether 900 to 1000, it is a buy for me. Okay, it might not be for you, but and next target, downside target potential, it could be anywhere around like low 800. But you just don't know if you're gonna get the low 800, so don't wait for it. You gotta suck it up. I gotta suck it up and start accumulating, from 1080 all the way down, okay, for Ether. Just like compound, right? If you've been following our channel, when we talk about compound was right here, okay, like $80, okay, $90. That's when we were bullish on compound, okay, right here back in October, okay, and we had a target up to like 175, guys. Compound was like $80, guys. That's the type of target you get with Send Crypto. Tomo for a short. Let's see. So let it cool off. 2-day time frame. We're gonna get this reversal back up, so let it cool off. Don't short this sucker yet. So we could be getting this fake reversal, another ending diagonal right here. Okay, it already hit 382. That's the first retest of 382. So give it chance to give you another ending diagonal, something like this. Okay, a choppy move. Okay. If you don't get that move, right, you basically wait for 0.618 right here, right? You start longing it from 50% to 0.618 and take it back up to like $1.24, and then you can short right here up to right here, okay? And another reversal right here too. So Tomo is in a potential sideways correction if we don't get, if we do not get high volume to trigger high volatility. The volume right here was nice, so don't short it now. Okay, we already hit our target in this green box, so let's just remove it. But my personal bias is buy the dip right here. Okay, buy the dip, take it back up right here very choppily, and then you take it back down just like Ethereum. Okay, it can even break the high right here just like Ethereum, and then you're gonna buy it back right here, whichever comes first. Okay, but don't short it once again. Is the that funny guy 12 says, are we going to dump further if BTC breaks below 20k, 28k? I don't think I mean, it depends. Okay, what is the structure you're looking at? Like this one is already 5-way structure, so you can't do this. Okay, but market just going to correct. Let's take a look at Uni. Somebody asked about Uni. It is still correcting, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is, pretty impulsive, right? You're still gonna get another pullback from Uni. So Uni is still a hold, right? Our previous entry was 4.5 to $5 in our premium, right? Let's take a look at it. Do I follow Tether? Tether, I don't trade it. I haven't. To be honest with you, Tether wrecked me a long time ago, so I never traded it, right? So since then, this sucker wrecked me right here. I think that was September, right here. I can't remember. I think that was right here when Tether wrecked me. and I was like, it was Tether and Monero, so I got double wrecked on Tether and Monero because they were both moving strongly, and I was trying to go against the trend. I had to get out before I get wrecked. So I haven't traded it since then. I got set up, but I didn't have enough luck for this sucker, so I just let it go. I did have a nice setup for it, but I got so many setups sometimes I just have to give up. This one was I have to give up on it because I had some other setup. It was a 1-to-1 extension I was expecting to the downside. We did get it though, but I never sent it, right? Because I never had a good luck with this sucker, right? And a potential breakout to the upside with a 1-to-1 extension, but we did get the one to the downside. Now we got this move, okay? This is a ugly setup, but so we at support right here. If we break it, we just have to drop all the way down to $1.40. But as of now, it is a double bottom. Just wait. Just wait for confirmation, okay? No, I haven't used data yet. You're welcome, Mr. Walter Jr. So guys, let's take it to 200 likes. So if you just join the streaming, you get free analysis, right? And free charts, right? If you write anything in the chat room, you have to subscribe, okay? Not even ask question, okay? Before you write anything, you have to subscribe, okay? I'm gonna basically kick you out. I'm just joking. I'm not gonna kick you out. I will check Theta. I never use it, so. CRV, let's go and take a look at CRV for phony. The slim shady, phony, slim, phony. CRV, CRV. So CRV, it is gonna come back down. Just be cautious, okay? So we could get the 1.618 extension to the upside right there, which is just about 250 to 280. All right, we already completed wave 3, but I'm not sure if the wave 3 is gonna be a simple wave like this, or it is gonna be a complex wave where we're gonna retest the low $1.10 to $1.20 before completing wave 5. Okay, but it is still a hold. Let's go back to BTC, guys. BTC bulls, they're gonna buy the dip, guys. Like, you know, nice volume right here. As you can see, as we're dropping, guys, buy volume is increasing. So that's gonna create a big divergence very soon. Okay, we just need the divergence on the, you know, a big divergence on the hourly. We got an ending diagonal right here, potentially, right? So, but no divergence. That's why I don't like it. So. Yeah, it's not time to be shorting right now, really. The price can drop lower, but the probability of it bouncing back up is very high. So don't mess with a short right now with BTC. Not financial advice, but don't mess with a short with BTC right now. Guys, 155 likes. We got 12 thumbs down. That's not bad. but we got 155, so it's okay. Give me guys 1 second. So it seems like link just bounced back up 15%. Yeah, link. Let's take a look at link for a potential trade setup quickly. Let's go ahead and take a look at link really quickly, because it seems like we could get a nice short on link right now. Short scalp. Are you guys ready for a short? So we got link right here. On the hourly, we got a big bounce back up to the hourly 21, right? MACD is not crossing bullish. That's bearish, right? So that's the level to look for a short right now, like just by 18 all the way up to basically 15 minutes. Let's check the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 100 EMA right here, and you got up to resistance. If it falls through, you just take it down. Okay, so just about like 19.5 to $20. That's going to be a potential short range, and take it back down to 0.618. Okay, so from the high, get this move right here, and then take it back down here to like 18.2. Right. If it pump to the upside right here, take it right back down here. And you could be looking for potential on average. Let's say 19.7 is average, right? Took it right back down to 18.1, 18.2, a nice 10% over the next few days. Put a stop loss right above right here, just about like 20.8, right? Just in case this sucker wanna give you a 5 wave, but volume is decreasing, so it has to correct down after. Okay. All right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. So let me see what you guys saying first. I'll call it a day. Hey, what's up, Ryan? Ryan, did you subscribe before you asked for XLM? XLM hit our 23 target. So it is definitely a hold, right? A hold, you gotta hold it. Accumulated down to 21. Yeah. So it looks like 15 minutes on link. If we get another, the 15 minutes on link got 7 minutes to go. So let's see if the next 15 minutes, could create an engulfing, right? Drop right back down, right? So I have to wait for the 15 minutes to close, right? And you can start accumulating from resistance right here all the way up. Okay. Oh gosh. Polka dot looks nice. That looks nice. Pretty strong bounce. Beautiful divergence from polka dot. Okay, that's the type of divergences you want to be paying attention to. You can see beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Okay, it bounced back up, retest, bounce right back up. So has to basically break this resistance right now. Okay, sell volume decreasing right here. So we need a big buy volume, okay, to break this resistance. So polka dot could be breaking this resistance. All right. You already subscribed, Mr. Ryan? Okay, good. Let's take a look at XLM for Mr. Ryan. So XLM dropped down to our 23 cents range. We said, you know, I was bullish on it right here, actually, right, 30 cents, but you know, didn't know we can drop all the way down to 22, 23. So you got to be ready for these, you know, for market to go against you, just in case what you're looking for doesn't play out, because we never got the bullish crossover on the, you know, on the 6 hour. That's why I wasn't extremely confident, even though I was bullish. What we say, we will need a bullish crossover to confirm the breakout. So we never got the bullish crossover on the 6 to 8 hour. So that's why I was saying that we can drop down here to 23. So if you got out, you did get a nice bounce, like from 22 cents. Even if you bought it at 23, it is still 10% higher. Okay, you're up 10% higher, right? So you get both both scenarios, right? One of them going to play out if the probability of the other one doesn't play out. Okay. KNC, Carbon Network, say KNC. So KNC could break out, right? It is not following the market because the rest of the market is doing something like this, right? This move. Yeah, it is not following the rest of the market. Okay, it is still a hold, right? If it drops down to like a 95 to $1, that's going to be a buy. But right now it is still a hold. Hey, what's up, NSK Pool? Here's come 20K. NSK Pool, did you subscribe before you talk about 20K? Don't get these moon boys to kick you out, man. Don't talk about 20K right here. I'm just joking, okay? Oh gosh. What's going on right here? Sushi back up beautifully, okay? So sushi is back up beautifully. So we just gotta give it time, okay? This was our premium analysis, so it is still in play. That looked like a finger. Hey, what's up, Shooter? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Shooter, I just want to flip the D and make it G, and we're gonna call it Sugar 1982, asking for mana. Mana, I've been taking a look at mana forever. Decentraland. Mana BTC. Mana BTC, I mean, it was an easy call, okay? Like, you know, you're breaking the descending triangle right here, support right there, breakout. So it is still a hold. 500 sats. Just hold it. Okay, just hold it. It's beautiful. November high right there, almost 700. So you got another 50% pump probably. Okay, it is still a hold. So don't forget to subscribe, Mr. Sugar. I mean, Miss Sugar 1982. I mean, I don't know, Miss or Mr. whatever. Just joking, man. Don't worry about the gender. Sugar. Litecoin, it is still a hold, right? It is still a buy. I was expecting 185 first, but it seems like we got the 130 first. So if it drops down to 105, it is still a buy. Okay, Litecoin, it is too early to be selling Litecoin right now. I'm pretty sure you're not leveraging, so you don't care about, you know, liquidation, right? Unless I'm wrong, right? So Litecoin is a buy, is a hold. Yep, it did retest support right here, 118, 119. We got a divergence. So Litecoin is a hold. You can definitely go back up to 180. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Should be, is this the Bitcoin mega pullback? I forgot to pull back. I just put pull in my title. Let's put mega dump. Mega dump. Everyone was wishing for. Okay, let's just leave it like that. Okay. All right, guys, we got like 100 likes. I mean 160 likes. We got constant 100 people watching, so that's a good, good rate. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. If you basically did not subscribe, you know what to do after end of the live stream. Just make sure to click that red button, and at the same time, make sure, guys, to get all the notification on. Okay, make sure to click the notification, right, so you can get my short updates, right? They're very important, guys. I'm giving you guys one of the best analysis on BTC and Ethereum. I told you Ethereum gonna break 1400. Yes, I was expecting 1592, but I told you we could get rejected and we're gonna drop down to like a 1089. We got that move. Bitcoin, we called for 307, right? We hit 307 exactly as expected. Yes, we can drop lower. Next target to look for, if we drop low, it is going to be 27.7. Why 27.7? Let's take a look at it before. Let's just resume it. 27.7. It is also yearly low. Okay, yearly low, right? For Bitcoin, not Bitcoin Cash. For Bitcoin right here, right? If you take a look at it on the 7-day chart, right? The yearly low is right there. That's the first week, right? The low for the yearly was like 27.6, 27.7. We almost retested it at 28.8. Okay, so sucker might be the candle right here just opened on the 22nd. That's a new 7 days chart. It can pump right back up to 40,000 in 7 days before like next Tuesday or so on, right? No, next Wednesday, right? So be cautious. Okay, we just need to retest the yearly low at 27.5 and that's it. Okay, all right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I see you guys tomorrow, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, get the notification so you can get these urgent live streams, right? Real urgent, not just urgent, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Oh man.